Alright, so we are live right now. So we just got some information that the Fed's not lowering any rates, right? And so you see that Bitcoin's already making a dump right here. Let's do a 1 minute time frame. It was reviewed at 2 o'clock. So the rates remain at the upper rates anyway, 5.5%. And everybody was talking about how we were gonna lower the rates by 25 basis points. That's not happening. So what does that mean going forward? The Central Bank of Canada did lower the rates by 25 basis points earlier in the month. So let's see how the market's going to react. It's not going to react nice, obviously, because everybody, or at least there were a lot of noise where people were saying rates will go down, and it's not. So are we going to wait for a couple months, or what are we going to do? It's going to dump. This is going to dump. Well, earlier today I made a little video on the quick update. If you notice that I talked about how we on the let's see on the 1 hour we were rejected by let's see here. So we were here, right? We were kind of rejected by the 200. We got above it. We couldn't stay above it. And if you don't stay above it, we're just going to go one direction, which is down. So let's just redo this. That's going to look like, I want to redo the flag right here, just in case we do go back below this flag. See, there we go. So can we break below this? So we could short down. Because normally we have to wait till 2:30 until Jerome Powell speaks, but somehow, somewhere, people just know at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But once the meeting starts, then he talks about other stuff, and then people project what he's saying and anticipate, whether there is any lower rates, or what's going to happen. I mean, what we can kind of do is, let me try to pull up the Fed rates probability. Let me pull this up. Yeah, actually, I noticed that here. Let me pull this up right here. So actually, nobody is expecting any lower rates. So this is still an expectation. So who told who what? Oh, it should be end of July. Yeah, but then even then it's not a lot. It's not a lot of rate cuts here. September meeting, more like half, like 40%. November. So we're not looking at too many rate cuts this year. By the end of the year, you can expect to be somewhere here, 4.5 to 4.75. But if you look at this, how was there 5.7%? That is weird. Actually increased. 1 month ago it was at 3.5%. Now it's like 5.7. Right? I swear to God, this was not. I didn't do this. It was at 90 something percent. Remember? Now it's like 85. Oh, what the? It's increased. Wait, June 12th. It's not letting me do it. Yeah, see, 99.9. So it's buggy. Hmm. So you see, like when I was looking at this earlier, we were so high up in the stochastics, and we're not breaking above the 200 SMA. So we're gonna head down. You see the stochastics pointing down, RSI is pointing down. But I was saying the 15-minute, if we were gonna stay above, we could blast. But you see how the 21 is the white line, right? So when the price meet with the 200 or the 21, that's gonna take off. But it didn't do that because it just happened to be the FOMC meeting. So it's like, okay, well, if I were gonna trade this earlier, I would have thought, okay, well, you know, it might be like a little, maybe something like this, right? You know, ascending triangle. You know, the move will take us above 70k to 72. But if this is heading down, we might kiss this 200, go back to 68. See, both are going down, the oscillators. Quite a lot of volume too, because everybody was expecting this because falling volume, stable price, so it's gonna hit the next, target. But never trade on FOMC meetings or any Fed days. 69.2 right now. Okay, well, let's look at the 5-minute quickly. Oof. Just gotta wait for some reversal. There doesn't seem to be any. Right now, it's still gonna dump for the 5-minute. You see now we are making some sort of recovery, but does that mean anything? Or is that just gonna be a bear flag? But you see, whoa, ATR gone up by 25%. AGI as well. Injective protocol 3192. And all the altcoins, well, actually, no, not all the altcoins. The whole total market cap is going up, which is bizarre. So let's draw a little bear flag right here. Just anticipate one. Like that. Okay, so the bear flag will take us to 68k. So back to this little pattern. So you see how patterns can affect other patterns. If we are in this bear flag, we broke out, now if we break back down, we are back to this bear flag. That could, take us all the way back to the 63k. It doesn't look good at all. So it depends on how we can handle this meeting. It's going to be a challenge. It's not going to be easy at all. So those who are joining, the Feds are not increasing the rates. Bitcoin dumped, and we're still hovering. And we kind of see a head and shoulder pattern. You see right here. We actually did complete the head and shoulder. And the target for this is right here, 68.8, 68.6. Now let's do some volume profiling just to see where things are right now. Okay, so the POC is right here at the moment. Let's make this red. So 69K, 69.4, we actually are below that, so it doesn't really matter. But the other one is at this high note here. So I'm just going to draw a line here. So this is the bottom of the POC. Make it less red. There we go. So yeah, this range is going to be crucial. If we fall out of this range, we're heading lower. Excuse me. So I'm going to draw these ones as well. These lines. That's the next level. So then I can delete this. Okay, so I can remove these lines for now because it's kind of getting in the way. Oh, now let's look at some. Oh, now we gotta get some. If we have a lower low, that's a bullish divergent right here. Because your RSI is higher. Now you see this reversal's crazy. Oh yeah, no wonder. We've got a reverse head and shoulder right here. You see? Target. Target back to the 200 SMA. That's the neckline. But yeah, it's gonna be volatile the next 2 hours. There we go. Yeah, you see, this is heading back up, but overbought areas. 3 minutes and 5 minutes are getting started. 15 might not take it all the way. It might be just a little quick rally. That's it. This is the hourly and the 4-hourly. The 4-hourly is okay. Yeah, the hourly is not looking good. But everything's green right now, right? Anyway, that's it for this live stream. I just wanted to make it get it out there. It's gonna be volatile, so yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification, and I'll see you in the next video.